Hey, good afternoon everybody. This is John again from Volkswagenplanet, and today I'm going to need your guys' help again on the 1972 Super Beetle. So what we have in front of us is a fuel line that I got from Wolfsburg West. Great company, check them out. My question is, these are fuel lines. Now, I've got this one here labeled A and labeled B. Now my question is I can't figure out how these things go between, I guess you would call the firewall back into the engine compartment, even if these things do go in the engine compartment. So I got a pretty good idea that the straight part right here goes right below the spark plugs on the driver's side. But my question is does it sit the way it's sitting like this, or does it sit like that? Comment below, and what I want you to do is, does A or B go on top? And what I mean by top is, right here would be the firewall, and this right here would be the heads. I know I got pretty sure it sits like this, right above the spark plug wires would be here, I think. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, comment below. Now, this was the actual line that I got from Wolfsburg West, and it says 68 through 72. Now, am I wrong saying that this belongs in the engine compartment, or does it go in front of the car? Please, guys, I'm confused. I don't want to put this in the wrong spot. Does this part go in the firewall? And again, it's got the same bend like this, and does this part go into the engine compartment? Because my problem is right here would be where the engine compartment would end up. So do I need to bend this? Am I thinking these long lines go in the wrong place? Help me out, guys. For those of you who are just joining us, this is for the 1972 Super Beetle. So help me out, help others out, and let's go from there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. And as always, guys, God bless you. God bless your family. God bless our great nation, the United States of America. Help me out. Comment below. And we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care and have a good day.